Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain how does ROBOROCK mop work on the ROBOROCK QRevo Curv robot. So there are two important parts. First I'm gonna show you after I take the robot out, and then I'm gonna flip it over. And as you can see, here are two mopping pads and they can be easily detached. But while they are attached, while they are cleaning, they are spinning, so they clean the floor really well. And this robot has a water tank inside, so it gets filled automatically while it's in the base. So let me just put it here, and the base fills the robot. So what it does is basically, here when you open this lid, you can see there's clean and dirty water tank. Here is the clean water, and it gets put into the robot automatically. Then after the cleaning, the water from the robot gets emptied into the dirty water tank, and then you can empty that tank, you can fill this one again, and they should just work in this way. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.